Good behavior, bad behavior. Little teacher Jahnavi. Hello children. Today I will talk about good behavior, bad behavior. This is good behavior. This is bad behavior. Before I start, please every day you should press the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let us begin with good behavior. Yay! Good behavior means nice, kind and polite to everyone. Like sharing toys with your friends, helping your family, and saying please and thank you. It makes everyone happy. Now let us talk about bad behavior. Oops! Bad behavior is when we do things that can make others sad and upset. Like yelling, not listening to grown-ups, or being mean to others. That's not nice. Good behavior is making rainbow in our hearts. It makes the world happier place. When we use good behavior, we make friends and we feel happy. And remember, everyone makes mistakes sometimes, but we can say sorry and try to do better next time. Let's try to all be kind and use good behavior to make the world better and happier place. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about good behavior and bad behavior with me. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye. I love my drawing. Thank you for seeing this drawing. If it's nice, tell me, okay?